13 amazing agricultural machines and smart tools. In this video, we're showcasing machines pioneering the farms of tomorrow for a jaw-dropping glimpse of the future now. From robotic crop managers to self-driving tractors to fully automated harvesters, prepare to be amazed as we showcase some of the most futuristic high-tech farm equipment ever engineered. And wait until you see the top cleaner greenhouse roof washer. This robotic washing rig will blow your mind with crystal clear efficiency. Let's dig in. The UNAC Railroad Excavator. Maintaining railway corridors demands a special breed of equipment that can operate safely while securing highly precise clearances. That's why track work pros turn to UNAC's Specialty Model 22 Railroad Excavator. This rail-friendly marvel lets operators thrive along active lines. The narrowed undercarriage neatly fits within existing track gauge, so there's zero danger of derailing oncoming trains even when digging drainage channels only feet away. The independent electric drive motors enable delicate maneuvers, including creeping along tie spaces at a walking pace if needed. Forget clumsy hydraulic sleds. This thing glides. The Model 22 also packs attachments for tamping ballasts and screening aggregates to keep level and drainage on point. Take care of all auxiliary tasks for comprehensive maintenance without more machines. This is a true all-in-one railway workhorse. And the built-in safety system automatically locks out boom swing if it detects an approaching train. No more looking over your shoulder every 3 seconds while trying to work. The Model 22's got your back. Discover more ingenious rail-compatible equipment from UNAC above. When job site safety and precision operation are paramount, these machines shine. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Let me know in the comments which piece of equipment is your favorite after the video. John Deere Walking Tractor Prototype. And now for the most sci-fi inspired machine yet that will blow your mind. Envisioning tractors of the future transformed into adaptive walking robots, JD engineers found inspiration in an animal locomotive to create a system for articulated mechanical legs. This allows the protobot to step lithely over furrows, rocks, logs, and any obstacle that would stop wheeled models in their tracks. An intelligent onboard computer coordinates precise leg movements, enabling unique maneuvers like crabbing sidewalks on hillsides, spinning in place, or adjusting ground clearance height. The sophisticated sensors feed real-time terrain data back to the system so it can actively adapt gaits for optimal stability and traction. The versatility could open up game-changing applications like spot spray rigs, nimble enough to pinpoint treat weeds without damaging crops, or small monitoring rovers continuously roaming fields via goat-like walking to gather hyper-local analytics. This fusion of autonomous off-road mobility with smart farming foreshadows profound accessibility advances in agriculture. By mimicking animal traversing capabilities, the future is bright for pioneering new terrain with the help of high-tech walking companions. Seppi M Shredder Crusher. When you need to pulverize everything from forest debris to concrete rubble, only an exceptionally advanced crusher can handle the toughest demolition. This is why the Seppi M Shredder Crusher dominates the industry as one of the most technologically packed powerhouses ever engineered. This self-propelled beast runs on a 382-horsepower Caterpillar diesel engine that delivers enough torque to spin 3 separate cutting shafts loaded with hardened steel hammers and shredders, guaranteed to obliterate virtually everything in their path. We're talking about turning trees, boulders, and even asphalt into dust with this mulching mayhem machine. It devours all terrain thanks to specialized power-grip steel tracks that find traction even on loose slopes or muddy sites. This crusher goes where other equipment only dreams of venturing. The triple-shaft particle accelerator spits out finely graded debris perfect for composting, wood chips, or aggregates depending on screen grate size. Dial in anything from powder to 1-inch chunks with ease. When you need versatile mobile demolition and recycling, the Seppi M brings 21st century technology and innovation for mammoth crushing capabilities. the E7000 self-propelled harvester. The future of nut harvesting is here. Introducing ACMW's revolutionary E7000 self-propelled harvester. This real-life robotic marvel is jam-packed with cutting-edge features to take nut collecting to the next level. First up, no more eating dust while you work thanks to the integrated EcoClean system. Powerful vacuum fans actively suck up debris as high-speed steel bristles bombard surfaces, scrubbing away grime buildup from even the hardest-to-reach spots. Operators can breathe easy in the sealed climate-controlled cab and focus on the harvest instead of stopping to wipe down windows. And talk about bird's-eye view. The E7000 gives you panoramic visibility with its wraparound tinted glass cabin perched high above the sweeping collector arms. It's your own private nut harvesting command center. This vantage point ensures you have eyes on the entire process, from the initial shake to transport into the hopper. Ultra-precise laser guidance and video feedback keep everything on track. Speaking of collector's arms, the E7000 features a wider cleaning surface to gobble up more nuts with each pass. But it doesn't stop there. The variable speed fan dynamically optimizes airflow so not a single almond, pecan, or hazelnut escapes its grasp. The intuitive joystick controls make adjusting settings a total breeze. Simply tilt and touch to fine-tune direction, speed, fan output, and more. It handles so intuitively that you'll feel like a pro operator in no time. Next, we have Pete's high-powered stump grinder. When it comes to obliterating stubborn tree stumps, look no further than the legendary Pete's super powerful stump grinder. This rugged heavyweight champ brings a knockout 1-2 punch to demolish even the most massive stump carcasses littering your land. At the core of this mulching machine is a brute prime mover engine, delivering relentless torque to spin its hardened steel cutting disc. We're talking uncompromising raw power that laughs in the face of colossal 60-inch diameter oak stumps. Feeding this mechanical beast is an industrial-strength reinforced belt system. Its hardened steel conveyors effortlessly wrangle whole tree stumps without jamming or choking. With this machine, you can rest easy and say goodbye to annoying clogs skunking your productivity. The wide discharge belt is like an expressway for pulverized debris to rapidly exit the cutter deck, so you can keep those lethal blades chomping without overflow fountains of wood chips bogging you down. The optional compaction roller neatly flats track indentions so you leave land looking pristine after tapping into this grinder's primal fury. When you need to disintegrate any vestiges of dead trees with extreme prejudice, summon the strength of Pete's super powerful stump grinder. It's the ultimate stump-destroying war machine guaranteed to grind virtually anything in its path into submission. Unleash the beast. Remiller Rotary Snowblowers. Let's head up into the mountains next, where we'll look at the role Remiller Rotary Snowblowers play in keeping high alpine roads clear through harsh winters. Up to 20 meters of snow can accumulate on alpine passes over 6 months, requiring heavy-duty snow removal machines. When an avalanche-prone mountain pass gets bombarded by deep snow, only an equally beastly machine can muscle through. That's where Remiller's rotary snowblower comes in. This winter warrior chews through colossal drifts with a plume. At the front lies a cavernous 5.2-meter opening, thirstily gulping down entire snowbanks. Massive serrated steel impeller fins then chomp mouthfuls of slush before catapulting the mess an astonishing 80 meters away. Yes, you can demolish a 6-story building's worth of packed snow in seconds. Powering this frigid deconstruction fury are 375-plus horsepower diesel engines that snarl with enough mechanical might to keep the shredding blades spinning at full speed no matter how dense that ice gets. Blizzard conditions don't faze these mechanical beasts. The entire rig sits on a pivoting base for precise aiming control. Just toggle the joystick to yaw and pitch the chute right where you want it. This way, you can Wingardium Leviosa bespoke spiraling vortices of powder down to the last sticky glob stuck between guardrails. So while Old Man Winter wreaks freezing havoc everywhere else, Remiller's got the gear to keep crucial alpine routes clear and traffic flowing all season. If you haven't already, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss a video. Let me know your thoughts so far on all these innovative pieces of equipment. The 600i Tree Spade. Maneuvering mature trees with expansive root systems is a tricky business, but the Dutchman Tree Spade makes transplanting even heavy-set arbor giants a breeze. This innovative attachment lets excavators easily hoist and relocate trees while retaining their entire root structure. It all starts with two curved hydraulic shovels that plunge down, encompassing a round chunk of earth, locking precious roots securely inside. These razor-sharp half-moon blades carve a perfect capsule with diameter capacities ranging from 5 to 10 feet across. Yes, even the most colossal oak or towering pine is getting airlifted, roots and all. The 600i Tree Spade's unique cutting design keeps thick taproots and tiny feeders intact throughout extraction and loading onto the transplant site. So you move the entire root ball for seamless tree establishment in its new home. This game-changing attachment is a tree-moving revolution. Transplant supersized specimens between jobs without having to prune roots or stress plants. Lift gigantic nursery stalks with no sweat. The 600i Tree Spade does it all thanks to innovative engineering by Dutchman. Kin SHGT Hydraulic Clamshell Bucket. Doubling your material handling hustle is Kin SHGT's versatile hydraulic clamshell bucket grapple attachment. This grappling gear clamps materials with 5 independently controlled shovels for custom grip strength every time. Precision grabs those delicate perennials for your landscaping project without crushing stems. Then rotate the wrist and go full crush strength, securing loads of logs, pipes, and debris with this adjustable beast. The shovels feature rugged heat-treated steel cutters that slash into materials, while reinforced edges provide durability season after season. This baby's built to withstand even the most extreme demolition site cycles. Integrated relief valves prevent accidentally overstressing the hydraulics, so you avoid costly repairs from overzealous operators. Complete peace of mind comes standard. Quick mounting coupler connections allow seamless swapping to forks, concrete clamps, and more in just minutes. This keeps multiple attachments on standby, so you rapidly reconfigure your excavator the moment demands shift. For grappling gear that dominates materials handling jobs big and small, Kin SHGT's clamshell bucket brings unmatched on-the-fly adaptability. Put one on your excavator and take multitasking productivity to new heights. Bobcat skid steer loaders. No ranch, worksite, or even backyard shed would be complete these days without the iconic profile of a Bobcat skid steer loader. These incredibly versatile machines can conquer practically any digging, loading, pushing, or lifting challenge thanks to their rugged durability and unmatched mobility. Navigating tight spaces is a breeze with Bobcat's nimble and compact frame, paired with responsive joystick controls that let operators thread spaces other hulking machines can't even reach. Their rigid tracks evenly distribute weight, allowing them to power over mushy turf or steep terrain without sinking or slipping. Mobility solved. But it's the over 100 specialized Bobcat attachments that showcase this machine's capabilities. Auger monster holes, trench neat lines, grasp goods with finesse. The attachment options for customization are nearly endless, and Quick Connect Hydraulics makes transitioning from a bucket to, say, forklift forks a snap. So no matter the commercial, agricultural, or residential job, Bobcat's conventional size, stability, precision controls, and attachment flexibility makes them ubiquitous workhorses trusted to take on any challenge. It's no wonder you spot these little orange helpers on sites across the world. The CID Rotary Cutter Attachment. When overgrown roadside brush threatens to obstruct sightlines or invade trails, bring on disciplinary action with CID Attachment's rugged rotary cutting implements. This heavy-hitting mower deck brings a 60-inch slap of galvanized steel to tame unruly thickets and keep pathways clear all season long. Its wide-cutting swath means fewer tedious paths, so you blaze through acres of overgrown rapidly. And unlike flimsy brush blades, this brute's reinforced deck stands to repeatedly punish without failure. We're talking gobble-down saplings and blackberry brambles without clogging, bending, or needing immediate replacement. The Rotary Cutter bolts onto compact tractors and loaders via a universal quick hitch mount, and an integrated slip clutch prevents catastrophic damage if you inadvertently hit hidden objects. Just glide right over obstacles. For the ultimate vegetation control implement built burly enough for endless miles of mowing heavy brush and rugged territory, CID Attachments Rotary Cutter leads the pack. Maintain safe sightlines along roadways and keep trails accessible with this hardworking pull-behind machine. It's a wilderness warrior. Hitachi EX8000 Mining Excavator. When it comes to extreme extraction, no earth mover comes close to the mind-boggling enormity that is Hitachi's EX8000 hydraulic mining excavator. This mechanical King Kong towers stories tall while boasting specs that redefine massive. Let's just say its custom 42 cubic meter bucket could swallow your bedroom whole in one power swoop. And it'll lift that chunk packed with 400 plus tons of raw ore or coal thanks to its behemoth 800 plus metric ton structural frame. Yes, we're talking 1,000 tons strong. What powers this bucket wheel barge? An inline pair of 1,100 horsepower diesel V12s that combine forces churning out enough mechanical fortitude to scrap her 2,200 horses. The sheer output spins its gargantuan boom with ease while rivaling a freight train's traction. In action, the EX8000 is an entrancing ballet dancer. If each graceful pirouette flexed enough strength to move small mountains. This towering leviathan towers as tall as office buildings while reaching, curling, and dumping payload substantial enough to fill stadiums daily. When open pit mining needs meet colossal proportions, Hitachi's EX8000 leads the elite field, matching extreme demands in all categories. Its earth-devouring appetite and American Ninja Warrior-level strength sustain mining output on staggering scales. This machine simply dominates. Seppi M Super Soil Stone Barrier. When landscaping with natural stones, scattering boulders or cobbles by hand across a site is backbreaking. But with Seppi's ingenious super soil attachment, you can mechanize decorative rock installation for seamless beauty with total ease. This clever implement attaches to skids and excavators, instantly transforming them into automated rock placers. Customize working depth up to 4 inches and let the attachment till soil while simultaneously burying stones of any size from pebbles to small boulders. Supercoil eliminates the grueling grunt work by automatically metering decorative gravel, ensuring perfect distribution. Just load up the hopper and guide your machine across the plot for consecutive coverage while gaps, piles, or misalignments marring the aesthetic. The result is a flawless natural rockscape, showcasing your stones embedded onto the contours and textures of rich soil as if placed by hand. Except achieved in a fraction of the time with a fraction of the effort. Take your landscaping projects to the next level by synergizing earth and stone with Seppi's Super Soil attachment. Scatter rock decor with simplified speed and precision through modern mechanization magic. Top Cleaner Greenhouse Roof Washer. To thrive year-round, greenhouse crops depend on maximum solar transmission through structures that can easily get crusted with mineral stains that block vital rays. Top Cleaner's ingenious automated rooftop washing rig keeps glass crystal clear for healthier, faster-growing plants. This all-in-one cleaning cruiser rolls along greenhouse beams on weighted tracks, scrubbing away dirt, dust, and residue. Rotate the soft twin cleaning heads to target all angles while gentle cleaning fluid dissolves buildup. It's like a robotic window washer specifically formulated for greenhouse care. Onboard tanks recycle used wash water, limiting environmental impact. And the electric drive minimizes disruptive noise, so the top cleaner quietly does its job without interference to your operations below. That means growers regain thousands of annual labor hours previously lost to manual washings. Now staff is freed up attending higher value tasks while crops below soak up the benefits of consistently optimized daylight thanks to routinely spotless overhead glass. By removing reduced light transmission as a yield-limiting factor, Top Cleaner empowers greenhouses to operate at maximum efficiency year-round. Unlock the growth potential of perfectly polished glazing with this innovative rooftop sanitizer. We've reached the end of the line, folks, for this sweet ride through some seriously badass farm technology. If you want a glimpse at what else mad genius engineers have created, don't miss our next video. Smash those good vibes our way with likes, comments, and subscribers as we cultivate more cutting-edge content. Till next time.